This tutorial walks you through setting up Mobicip's parental controls on any Windows computer. Go to mobicip.com and sign up. Once the account is created, you will see a confirmation and receive an email. Determine the version of Windows you have on the computer. After making sure, download the version of Mobicip compatible with your computer. Launch the installer and allow admin access to proceed with installation. Restart the computer and log in again. You should see the Mobicip icon on the desktop. Open Mobicip and log in using your Mobicip account. For each child's account, select the Mobicip child profile to map it to. Save and confirm your settings. Depending on who logs in, appropriate restrictions will be placed. Congratulations! Your PC is now set up with Mobicip's parental controls.